This is the second video of the lesson A Trip to Bhopal. In this video, we will be solving the problems of page number 30 to 34. If you can remember, in the last video, we had left when the students started their lunch. Now, in the lunch, what did they get? Every child is to be given one orange, one banana, and 5 biscuits. So this was how the food items were to be distributed. Now all the children took oranges and biscuits, but 38 children did not take bananas. Now the question is, how many oranges, biscuits and bananas were distributed? Okay, so let us find out how many oranges. But before that, do you remember how many total students were there on the trip? It was 210. So every student will get one orange. So how many oranges were distributed? So what you will do? 1 into 210. The answer is 210. How many biscuits? Every child will get 5 biscuits. So 5 into 210. What is the answer? Multiply with me. 5 0 is 0. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. Correct? Now we'll come to banana. Now before finding our bananas, we have to understand that 38 children did not take banana. So what we will do, we'll first subtract the numbers. 210 minus 38. Subtract with me. This 172 is your answer too. We can check it. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 remains in your hand. 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 1, 11. 1 again. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is correct. So 172 students took banana. So what we will do? We will multiply 172 into 1. Because 1 banana was given. So 1 into 172 or 172 into 1, same thing. The answer will be 172. So this is your answer for this question. How many oranges, biscuits and bananas were distributed? Moving on. Now since the students were going in a bus, they had lots of time. So they were asking questions to one another. The first question was asked by Manjeet. He asked a number which is exactly between 100 and 150. And Bhanu gave the right answer. And the correct answer was 125. Now how did Bhanu got the correct answer? How did he know that the answer will be 125? Very simple. See here. From 100 to 150, how many numbers are there? There are 50 numbers. Correct? And what is half of 50? If you divide 50 by 2, half of 50 is 25. So that means if we go 25 places from 100, then it will be 125, and which comes in between 100 and 150. Correct. Now there are other problems and quizzes and puzzles are there which other students have also asked. So let us try all those also. Let us try with A. I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends, and 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees did I have? I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends. So I gave 4 toffees. Suppose this is my toffee. How many toffees are there? 4 toffees to 4 of their friends. So how many toffees were given? First you find out that 4 toffees each to 4. That means 4 into 4. That means 16. 16 toffees. I gave 4 toffees, 16 toffees to 4 of his friends. And 3 toffees are left with me. And after that, he has got 3 toffees left. The question is, how many toffees did I have? So 16 he already distributed, 3 are left with him. So what we will do, we will just add 16 plus 3. So he has got 19 toffees. Moving on to the next puzzle. What number can you make using 3, 5 and 7? You can make 357, 537 and many more. You have to just place the digits in different places. We can make 735, right? We can make 375. Like this we can make many other numbers. Next, C. A number becomes double if it is increased by 8. What is the number? So if we add 8 to a number, it should be double. What is the double of 8? 16. And which number would you add? You will add 8. So 8 is the number you want. Let's move on. Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. For this type of sums or problems, what you will do, you have to multiply all these 3 numbers. So we'll multiply 2 into 3 into 5. So what is the answer? 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 5 is 30. So 30 is the number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5, and it comes between 25 and 50 also. So the answer is 30. Next. A small ant climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute but slips down 2 centimeter. Okay, for this let us draw. Here is the ant. Okay. It climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute. So suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 should be here. 5. Okay, now he wants to climb. The ant wants to climb. So in 1 minute it climbs up to 3. But slips down 2 centimeter. But he falls and slips and falls to 1. Because 3 minus 2 is 1. So he reaches 1. How much time will it take to climb 2 centimeter? Now in 1 minute, he climbed 3 centimeter and slipped 2 centimeter. That means he reached 1 centimeter. In the second minute, from here he will start again 2 centimeters. So 1, 2, again he will slip. So our next puzzle is Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. So in this kind of problems, what we have to do, we have to multiply all these three numbers. So here we have to multiply 2 into 3 into 5. So we know 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 5 is 30. So 30 is the number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5. And it comes between 25 and 52. So our answer is 30. Moving on to E. A small ant climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute but slips down 2 centimeter. Okay, to find out the solution of this problem, let us draw it. Here is the wall. 0, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. And there is an ant. So in the first minute, it climbs 3 centimeter. It climbs to 3 centimeter, but then slips 2 centimeter. 1, 2. That means it reaches 1 centimeter. Right? So 3 centimeter minus 2 centimeter in the first minute. 1 centimeter. Now in the first minute, the ant is here. Now in the second minute, from here it again climbs how many centimeters? 3 centimeters. So 1, 2, 3 here. But then again slips back 2 centimeters. So 1, 2. So now the ant is here. What does it mean? That means to climb 2 centimeter, it will take 2 minutes. So the answer will be 2 minutes. Right? So these were some of the puzzles that they were solving during the trip. Now very soon they have reached the place that they wanted to go. It was a beautiful lake and they all wanted to go boating. There were different kinds of boats. You can see the chart here. Timings and fares are written here, and the students wanted to ride on the boats. Now our next questions are related to this boat ride. So what is the first question? Indra and Bhanu first went into motorboat, then took the oar boat. Now how much did they pay for both the boats? Now we have to find out here what is the price. Motorboat is rupees 25 and boat with oars is rupees 15. So how much did they pay for both the boats? So what we have to do, we have to add 25 and 15. You will get the answer. 5 plus 5, 10, 0. 1 will have in your hands. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 1, 4. So answer is rupees 40. How much time did they get for both the rides? Now the timing are given here. 20 minutes and 45 minutes. Now you have to add these two. You will add 20 and 45. So it becomes 65 minutes. Now 65 minutes, we know how many minutes in 1 hour? 60 minutes. So 60 plus 5 is 65. So it took 1 hour and 5 minutes. Next, one group of children went for the double-decker trip. They paid rupees 450 in total. Now let us find out where is the double-decker trip. This is the double-decker trip. For one student it will take rupees 30, but they have paid rupees 450. Now the question is, how many children went for the double-decker trip? So as we know, rupees 30 for one student. Okay, and they have paid rupees 450. Always remember, we can write this also, okay, in place of rupees. It has not been written here, but nowadays we'll find the symbol of rupees. Okay, so they have paid rupees 450. Now the question is, how many students can enjoy the boat ride in rupees 450? Now in these type of problems we have to divide. Okay, now we will divide 450 by 30. Let me give you another tip. Whenever you will see that the last two digits are same, 0, not same, 0. Here see, in the units place it is 0. Here also units place is 0. In division you can just neglect these two zeros. So you can just divide 45 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, minus 1 remains, 5 comes down, 3 5s are 15. So the answer is 15. If you want to check, you can multiply 15 and 30 and the answer will be 450. So here your answer is 15. That means 15 children can go for the double-decker trip. Next question. Which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour? Now we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So now we have to see among the trip times that if we double the time, it should be 1 hour. Okay, so this is 45 minutes. The 45 plus 45 is 90 minutes, which is more than 60 minutes. That means more than 1 hour. Next, 30 minutes. 30 plus 30 is 60, exactly 1 hour. So our answer will be paddle boat. Other two also we can see. 20 plus 20 is 40, less than 1 hour. 45 plus 45 is 90, more than 1 hour. So our answer here is paddle boat. Fine. Next, which boat gives them the most time, taking the least money? So here also again we go to the trip time. Which gives most time? You can see here 45 minutes, 45 minutes. Boats gives equal amount of time, but which is cheaper? Boat with oars is cheaper. So boat with oar gives them the most time, taking the least money. Next, Javed went twice for boating. He paid total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which 2 boats did he take? Again we have to go to trip time here and we have to see, if we add 2 timings it should be 50. Here it is very clear, 30 plus 20 is 50, and here also if you add this to 15 plus 25 you will get 40. So the answer is paddle boat and motor boat. Right? Okay, now they have enjoyed all the boat trips. Now it is time to return, and they will not stop anywhere, and they will return and they will reach in 2 hours. Okay, now it is 4 o'clock. So what time they will reach Hoshangabad? They will reach at 6 o'clock. Next, here also we have some questions. There are 4 very old cave paintings marked the oldest. The greatest number here will be the oldest. So here 4,200, 8,500, 1,000 and 1,300. So 8,500 is the greatest number here, so this will be the oldest. Next, One bus can carry 48 children. How many children can 3 buses carry? Now, this is very easy. If one bus carries 48 children, then 3 buses will carry 48 into 3. Right. So 3 8s are 24. 2 will remain in 2. 3 4s are 12. 13, 14. So 144 students can travel. But here see, there is a word about. About is used when we do estimation. That is, your answer should be nearest to the correct answer. So here we can see 150 is nearest to the correct answer. So about 150. Next, which pair of numbers add to make more than 500? Now you have to add these pairs. This you do yourself. Wherever you find that the answer is more than 500, that will be your correct option here. You do it yourself and find it out yourself. Right? Next, what happened at what time? So let us start from the very beginning. They crossed Narmada bridge at 9:10. Then what did they do? They went to the petrol pump too, right? So it will be 9:30 a.m. After petrol pump, what did they do? They went to Bhimbedka paintings and they saw the paintings at 11:30 a.m. Then they had lunch. That will be at 12:30 p.m. Then they went for the boating in the lake at about 3 p.m. and they returned to Hoshangabad at 6 a.m. So we are all done. We have solved all the problems of the chapter A Trip to Bhopal. I hope now you will be able to answer all the problems, practice again and again, and if you have any doubt, please get back to me and we will again try to solve the problems and clear all your doubts. Thank you for watching the video. Take care.